you can spot some crocodiles. Now you can see this crocodile here. It's taking sunlight, sun bath. It's a huge crocodile here. One of the biggest crocodile here. This is a crocodile park. You can hardly pay 20 rupees to see this. Traveling from the higher side to lower side water. Good afternoon here. Pramod Dasturkar again for YouTube. I'm here now today. I'm just moving towards the Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary. Wildlife Sanctuary, India में lots of there are wildlife sanctuaries wherein all the animals are protected and they are allowed to survive well and live their own life. Now this is one of the best wildlife sanctuary called Dandeli. This Dandeli is near from Dharwad. From Dharwad it's just about 20 kilometers. From Hubli it is about 50 kilometers, and it's on the way to from Mumbai to Goa. Mumbai-Bangalore highway. It's Mumbai-Bangalore highway. This is Dandeli. Very nice city, a clean and simple one. Now here we can spot all the types of tigers, elephants, these peacocks, deers. We have spotted lots of animals today. Now I am in Crocodile Park. Now the crocodile is one of the oldest animal on the earth, which is a vertebrate type of animal, which is found in rivers. Now, so you can see here in this farm, there is a farm here in this called as crocodile farm, and it is here near Dandeli. This farm is located. Now I am showing you the crocodiles. Now this is a Kali river. There is a paper factory here nearby Dandeli on the road. Now this is a Kali river. On this Kali river, you can see this as a Kali river. Now I am focusing a huge long focus here. Now you can see this from this Kali river. You can spot some crocodiles. Now you can see this crocodile here resting. It's taking sunlight, sun bath. It's a huge crocodile here. Now you can see this, one of the biggest crocodile here in the Kali river. Now this is one you have seen this. Now again I will spot you, give you another glimpse of the crocodiles which are resting and taking sun bath at this place, Crocodile Park, in the month of December 2017. Now see this. There's one more again here. Now this is a crocodile resting in sunlight at Kali river in Dandeli. This is one, two I have shown. Now this is third one. You can see this three one, this third one. Now this is a crocodile park. You can hardly pay 20 rupees to see this. See, this is one is moving in the water. I will focus. It's traveling in the water now. You can see this. Yes. See the travel. It's a crocodile here. It's a traveling from the higher side to lower side water. Now these crocodiles, if you see 4 or 5 crocodiles taking sun bath here. Now this crocodile park is available for you. You can anytime visit. Lots of hornbills, lots of animals. You can spot it here. Now see this moving crocodile. It's going inside the grass, taking its own position and finding its own way. This way you can get best view of this crocodile park. Thank you very much. Pramod Dasturkar here again for YouTube for happy living, and please visit once if you come this side near Dharwad crocodile place. This is called as Crocodile Park. Thank you very much. Thank you.